YouTube, came to buy the truck, test drove it, a wheel bearing snapped. And we still gonna get it though. Got a good deal on it. YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Key 300 back with another video. As y'all can see, we done picked up a 2011 Silverado. Got this for a good ass deal. When I was on the test drive, the damn wheel bearing snapped. Y'all know that ain't nothing. 2011 Silverado LTZ, clean interior. Y'all see it, but I'm gonna put my little touch on it and everything. Y'all know how that go. This will be for sale. But yeah, finna go and get this wheel off and inspect any further damages. But y'all know we get a camera right. We do mechanical first, then we do cosmetics, then we get it looking right. But you feel me? Finna go and get this wheel off, then I'll get back to y'all. Alright, so I got a wheel off and I found one issue already. I forget what it's called, but the brake. Y'all know what this is. So I'm gonna need another one of them. I already ordered a few parts. Ordered rotors, brakes, lowers. Cause if you look at the ball joint, it's done for. What else? I'm gonna get some uppers. I got inner and outer tie rods. But I'm gonna keep breaking this down and I'm gonna get back with y'all. But I'm about to take the tie rod end off, the upper control arm, and then you're gonna need this brake cable off. But I'm gonna set the camera up. Now I'm about to take this. I got a tie rod nut off, upper control arm nut. Now I'm about to hit it with a sledge and it should pop off. I don't know if I said, but I'm replacing the whole front end, lower control arm, tie rod end, sway bar, struts, upper control arm, CV axle, wheel bearing. I'll be back this next day. I did get that lower control arm off and the knuckle, but now I'm about to clean this frame up, get it looking right, and then get that to y'all. Alright, we got it all sanded down. I got the first coat on, but as that dry, I'm gonna go to the other side and start tearing the other side down. I ain't doing no tutorial video. I'm just showing y'all how I do this shit. You know what I mean? After I get these wheels off, I'll get back with y'all. Got the brake caliper off and the rotor. And I'm about to continue to bust this down. I'm gonna disconnect this tie rod in, upper control arm. Then I'm gonna pull the axle out, loosen up the sway bar, take the inner and outer off. I'm gonna record a little bit of the process, but I'm trying to go and get these done, so I ain't gonna record too much. But I'll get back with y'all. Alright, we back. I had a little hiccup on the upper. I'm wondering why the shit wouldn't loosen up. I'm tightening the shit up. Y'all see I had to suit up, get my stump nigga out, so. But I got a tie rod loose, well, the bolt gone, and I got the upper loose. Y'all know. Just like that. Very. Can't be scared to get your hands dirty when you're doing this shit, bro. Alright, so I got these loose, these bolts loose. Now I'm about to pop the hood and go from the top with the extension and unloosen these to get that straight out. And it went mud in this bitch. Now that you got all three of those, the strut should just pop out. Now what's left, take these lower control arms out from here, and then I'm gonna get the inner tie rod out. Alright, we got everything tore apart. Just waiting for the rest of the parts, and tomorrow I'll be putting everything back together. Yeah, I'm gonna tap in with y'all tomorrow. Alright, the next day we back at it, man. Got all the parts a nigga need. Gotta go and get this shit put back together. First, I'm gonna start with this inner tie rod. I'm gonna put a lot tight on there. This side all back together. About to go on start on this other side. I'm trying to go on finish before it get dark. Get back to y'all when I finish. Take it on the test drive. Alright, I'm just giving y'all a little update. So the CV axles are rubbing against the strut. And I'm thinking it's because I don't have uppers and it's bottoming out here. So I'm just gonna take this level off until I get uppers. Then I'll install it back. But right now we're just trying to make sure it drive good and everything. But I'll get back to y'all when I get that done and then go on a test drive. Alright, I got everything back together. I took the level off. That's gonna be off until I get the uppers. Then I'm gonna put the level back on. But as y'all can see, it's nose diving right now. I'm finna take it on a test drive. Make sure everything rides smooth after all the parts. I put grease in the ball joints. Then I'm gonna let y'all know how it is on the test drive. All right, now I'm taking the blocks out. Well, I'm flipping the block. And what that is, the block right there, you gonna unbolt all those bolts from the U-bolts. And I'm gonna lift it up from the leaf spring. See, I got that for a little more height. Lift it up for the leaf spring. It's gonna pick up. Now I'm gonna remove that block and put it on top of the leaf spring so that way I can still use these. I'll get back to y'all. YouTube, we back at it. Got the truck torn apart again. Got some uppers in, I'm about to put on. Then it won't hold a alignment, so I got these. I'm about to go grab them alignment pins, whatever they're called. And I'm gonna put those in. They don't have none. And I did get the rear blocks out. Well, I flipped them. But yeah, I'll get back with y'all after I get these off. Then I'm gonna go to the store and grab the alignment pins. Then put the uppers on. Got the control arms out. I just finished cutting the bump stop. About to do the same to the other side, then I'm gonna go to the store and grab these alignment pins. And I probably go ahead and get the camber plates. New camera bolt with the plate too. But I'll get back to y'all. Made it back from the store. Got the camera bolts and the plates and alignment pins. Let me get y'all on game real quick. Get you a 10mm. And then a C-clamp. You're gonna put it just like that. That way you can get the pin in. I'm gonna take it off and then show y'all I got it in. As you can see, I got the pin in flush. Now I gotta do it 3 more times. I got all 4 pins in. I'm about to put these control arms together. Put the bushings in them. And I'm gonna put the control arms in, start putting everything back together, and I'll be done with this side. Alright, I got this side all back together. Got the uppers in there. Put the level back on. I'm about to bust this other side down. Then I'm gonna finish it up tomorrow when I got some daylight. Got both sides back together. About to put the wheels back on. And then to get the alignment right, then I'm gonna take it on a test drive. I got everything put back together. Y'all can see how I sing. With the 3-inch, with the no blocks. And I'm about to get y'all a cold start. Then I'm gonna take it on a test drive. All right. Test drive though. That might be it for this video. better than what it's looking like now.